meron akong na-prepare na recording, okay? From the time na nakapag-download tayo successfully ng grass.io mobile app, okay? So i-play na natin yung recording. Ayan. So nagpunta lang muna ako sa CoinGecko website and ito yung price action ng Grass token during the date and time ng recording natin last Friday, July 4th, 2025. And during this time, nasa 63.82 pesos yung price action ng Grass token, okay? So, nasa around 18 billion, 18.4 yung market cap niya. Total supply is 1 billion and then circulating supply around 288.1 million, okay? So, makikita nyo yung contract niya nasa Solana blockchain. And yung website nito is grass.io, okay? So, sa video recording natin, i-click natin yung direct website, okay, ng grass.io, okay? So, unlimited internet plan, rent what you don't use, okay? So, sa mga susunod na video natin, pag-uusapan pa natin yung mga specific details, okay, around the Grass network and more on about its use case and the real life application. Pero sa video natin today, magfo-focus tayo sa step-by-step procedure kung paano ba siya i-download sa ating mobile phone, okay? Okay, so one positive thing na pwede nating i-highlight na kiniklaim ng grass.io website is that kapag ka nag-download tayo ng Grass app through our mobile phone, for example, Android yung phone natin, 3 times or 3x yung pwede nating ma-accumulate na points, okay? So yun yung parang reward system nila. And then makikita natin dito, aside from mobile phone, Android, pwede rin siya sa directly sa ating mga laptops or computers running on Windows, Linux, or Mac operating system, okay? And then, once ma-install na natin yung application, pwede na tayong mag-earn ng rewards in a form of cryptocurrency or yung Grass dito sa Grass cryptocurrency na to, okay? Okay, so nag-spot check lang tayo saglit sa kanilang website and pag-uusapan natin yan in detail sa mga future videos natin. Dito sa part na to, dina-download na natin yung app sa ating mobile phone. So make sure lang na kapag magda-download kayo nito guys, pumunta na lang kayo directly sa CoinGecko or sa CoinMarketCap website to ensure na yung website or yung site na where you're trying to download the Grass application is directly coming from the reputable source, okay, or from the grass.io website na built under the Solana ecosystem or blockchain. So, dali lang naman to. Download mo lang and then i-open mo yung application. Okay, so pagka-install mo ng application, i-open mo lang siya. Makikita nyo dito sa upper left-hand portion na download na siya. So dito sa part na to, ito yung unang beses na nakita ko yung landing page or interface ng Grass mobile application. So yung unang-una, hihingian ka nito ng permission para i-select yung mga applicable options na preferred mo, okay, once you install yung Grass application. Yung pinaka-importante dito yung unang-una, disable battery optimization, okay? Kasi kapag hindi mo siya sinelect, hindi rin gagana yung app, so useless din. Okay? So, ang ginawa natin dyan, in-enable natin yan. Okay? And then, kapag in-enable natin yan, yung Grass application will always run in the background, okay? So, that way, kapag may na-detect ito na unused bandwidth from our internet connection, yun na yung parang nagiging contribution natin sa ecosystem ng grass.io. In return, pwede tayong mag-earn ng rewards sa kanilang app, okay? So, dito naman, kapag ka nalagpasan mo na yung page na yun, na-approve mo na yung mga permission na nire-request nila, yung susunod na page, kailangan mo lang mag-sign in. So, it's either you sign up with your email address or kung meron ka ng existing na mga Gmail accounts na nakaset up na sa mobile phone ninyo, mamili ka na lang ng dedicated email address na gusto mong i-link dito sa Grass network, okay? Or sa Grass mobile application. So in my case, para simple lang, namili na lang ako dito sa mga existing Google or Gmail accounts natin para makapag-login sa Grass network, okay? Ayan, so i-click lang natin yung continue. And then straight off the bat, nandito na tayo sa kanilang website. Ganun lang kasimple i-install, napakadali, napaka no-brainer. Okay, so ito yung interface niya. Makikita nyo sa earnings, wala pa tayong earnings, syempre, kaka-install lang natin. And verified siya agad after we select our nominated email address to link on our Grass mobile app, okay? So, ang kinaganda dito, makikita nyo sa part na to guys for example, mas gusto nyong, halimbawa, ginagamit nyo yung internet connection nyo habang nagtatrabaho kayo, pwede nyo siyang i-log out, okay? And always regularly check for updates para up-to-date yung application sa mobile phones natin, okay? Pero guys, in the past 48 hours na nagamit ko tong Grass network, yung internet connection na gamit namin is fiber plan ng Converge. And lagi naman siyang naka-open, nagra-run sa background, pero ang gusto kong sabihin, nagwo-work from home din ako. So, sa 2 araw na nagwo-work, na nagtatrabaho ako, wala naman akong halos walang impact nung after ko mag-install nitong Grass.io na application sa phone. So, okay siya. Okay? So, pero depende sa inyo kung gusto niyo siyang i-log out kapag mayroon kayong importanteng ginagawa, option yun na yun, okay? Yun nga lang, hindi tuloy-tuloy or hindi dire-diretso yung accumulation ninyo ng mga Grass tokens or rewards, okay? So, dito naman sa part na to, may option pala tayo to switch between light mode and dark mode. So, yun yung nasa upper right-hand portion. Ayan. And the earnings natin, 0 pa. Makikita natin yung Wi-Fi icon natin connected. And ganito guys, para makapag-accumulate tayo ng mga earnings, kasi yung may mga parts pa dito na yung point system and itong yung epoch rewards or earnings, kailangan ko pa siyang pag-aralan in depth para distinguish yung difference sa points, between points and then yung epoch. And then, paano ba talaga yung magiging system nito para magkaroon tayo ng actual Grass token na pwede nating i-hold or i-manage in the future, okay? Now, disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content on this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help our viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies, okay?